Alright, so Blue's getting a makeover. It's, I think, early Saturday. I like to sleep in on Saturday, but it's not happening today because Blue's makeover is going to consist of some new rims, which are at the rim shop right now, a lip spoiler, a new front grille. That's right, I'm changing out the front grille with another version, and a new rear splitter, which was already installed. I do have a video of installing that, just working on editing that. So we got to go to Walmart. The reason why we got to go to Walmart is because the tire place wanted to charge me $44.99 per valve stem for the S5. S5 has basically normal valve stems. It doesn't have TPMS in the valve stems. It's a little system that they have in the ABS system that tells you if the tire is low or not based on how the wheel is rolling and everything like that. We're gonna go to Walmart and buy some basic valve stems because I'm not reusing those. Because actually those wheels, I'm gonna put different tires on them or keep them for winter. And these wheels that I have at the tire shop, those are gonna be the ones that I ride on during the summertime, spring, summer, and fall time. And then I'm gonna get some 18s for racing. But right now, we're gonna handle the 19s I have at the shop. Okay, so we're gonna head to Walmart right now. Getting the tires now. This is my new friend. What's your name, short?
Jazz.
Jazz. Come see her at Tire Plus in Waldorf. She hooked me up. Hopefully they can fit inside the Audi. We'll see what happens. This is why I got a Sportback right here. You see that? Whew. Do that in the S4. All right, so we just got back from the tire shop. So we're gonna go ahead and put the wheels on the S5. Then we're gonna put the grill on. I'm not gonna do lip kit because as I've told everybody, I got some paint damage from before. You see all that just flaking right off, and then up here. So I actually have this car scheduled to go to the body shop Monday. Today's Saturday, and they're going to strip this all down and repaint it. And then I'll be replacing this grill because German Car Accessories hit me up and they wanted me to try their version 2 grill because they said that it's better for the sensors. You won't have to cut into your crash bar, and a better angle on the front camera. So we're gonna try all that out and see how it all goes, you know. And then I have my blackout vinyl kit coming, so I'll be blacking this stuff out in the window trim. So yeah, Blue is getting a makeover. There's the Q7. Before, when I was weighing the wheels for Blue, the stock wheels, I didn't take in consideration that I had 2 different sets of tires on here. Pilot Sport 4S's in the rear, and then the all-season 4s in the front. Now, these tires here are the 255, 35, 19s, and the tires over here have the 265, 35, 19s. So a little bit bigger tire here, so they do weigh more tire-wise than the stock wheels here. But I didn't weigh the front and the rear. I only weighed one wheel. As a matter of fact, I don't even know which one it was I weighed. It could have been the front. If it was the front, they would have been heavier than the rear because they're the all-season and they're a little bit heavier. If it's the rear, then that's even better, right? Because I had heavier wheels in the front and lighter wheels in the rear, because in the back of the car, they are Pilot Sport 4S's. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the weight of the wheels and compare them. All right, so I have the stock wheels off, and as you can see, the tire life on the Sport 4S's, whew, we are there. There is nothing left. So it's a good day to change out the wheels. We're at about 50% on the all seasons. Maybe a little more than 50%. All right, so can we just take a moment to, I know it's dirty and all, but Man, I like these rotors. All right, we're at 52 pounds for the Pilot Sport 4S's on the stock wheels. Yeah, 52 pounds. Next up are the all seasons. Now, last time I measured them, they came in at, the last time I measured some wheels, they came in at 53 pounds. So it could have been the Pilot Sport wheels and they could have just lost tread. So I expect these wheels to be heavier because the all seasons have a different material in them, or additional material. Oh, wow. 55.8 pounds. All right, so the worn Pilot Sport 4S's came in at 52 pounds. And the Pilot Sport all-season 4s on the stock wheels came in at 55.8. So let's see what Vision Forge does. Keep in mind, these are wider wheels and bigger tires, but is it gonna weigh less? All right, let's see here. In general, the all-seasons 4 are heavier than the Pilot Sport 4S's, and we come in at 53.6 pounds. And that's cool, that's only a pound, 0.6 heavier than the stock wheels that I had, and we got wider tires. So I'm not too mad about that. The 18s is where I expect to be significantly less than these wheels. So we're not doing bad here. Wider tire, and we're only gaining a pound on one wheel, and we're losing a couple on another wheel. So all in all, good. All right, Blue is back from C&D Body Shop. Got the new front bumper painted. Oh, it's so dark. But this is where the damage was, especially down in there. I'll have to have a before and after. But man, it looks good. I can see myself in it like glass. Which means now we can put on our lip kit. Woo! Blue about to be sexy. Here's a lip kit I got from ECS Tuning. It's a very simplistic lip kit. I'm not really big into the super dramatic stuff. I did, for a little bit of flair, have these little fog light whole trim pieces. They're sold separate from the lip kit. It comes completely wrapped in plastic, so that's why I have them on the floor. You can see there's peel stickers to show you where to start peeling. I'm gonna actually take the bumper off when I do the new grill from German Car Accessories. So I have already removed the bumper. I have a video on how to remove the bumper. I'll put it in the top right corner so you can click on that and go check it out. You can see the second grill that I'm going to be replacing this grill with, the V2, is behind it. I'll show you the differences between the grills. It really just comes down to the camera placement. They said that the camera mount that they come with is a little bit more accurate than the one on the V1. And then also, they also told me I could 3D print a camera mount, which I did do, and painted it black and then put a little gloss on it so it could look a little bit better. I'll show you that as well when it comes time to put the grill on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lip kit on while it's like this. I'm gonna wipe down some of the spots where it's gonna go. I got some alcohol to clean up where the tape is gonna go, and we'll put that lip kit on. Also, while we have the front bumper off, I'm gonna spray paint the crash bar with this Raptor truck bed coating. I heard it lasts a little bit longer than just regular paint, spray paint, black spray paint, which the rocks tear it up, so it doesn't look as good. So I'm gonna see how well this right here, this Raptor truck bed coating works. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to put the lip kit on. I have another video on how to put the grill on. All right, so let's get to work. So this ECS lip does come with some screws. The kit is going to stick to right here where the double side tape is, right here, and down in here, and then it'll just screw right here. And then the little trim piece will go up and around right here for a little bit more aggressive look. So the lip kit should be subtle, but have a little bit more aggressiveness to it, kind of how I want to keep the car. We're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of water, just water, to clean off some of this dust that's underneath here. And then we'll go back over it with some alcohol after we dry the water off, just to get any oils that might be there. And then we'll test fit the lip kit at the bottom here. And once we are comfortable with the placement, we'll take the lip kit back off, pull the double side tape back, and then go ahead and stick it one more time. So as you can see here, the double sided tape It does have like a lot of plastic wrap around the kit when you buy it. I'm just peeling this back, and they do have 3M, so I don't have to do like my spoiler and change out the tape. Okay, so after test fitting it, it looks like it fits almost perfectly. It would be easier if I had two people, one person to hold the other side. I'll probably just place it on something to keep it up, and I'll stick one side and I'll go and stick the other side. So let's get to that. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is peel some of this double side tape back. Like this. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Peel the tape back and slowly pull it out. So it is on pretty evenly. Doesn't look too bad at all. I did see that the screws actually don't go where I thought they were. I thought they go right here, but they actually go right here and they drill into your bumper. I don't like doing that, right? So I'm not a bumper driller type person. So the only one I recommend that you technically have to screw is this middle one, because it'll flap like this. What I'm gonna do though is I have some 3M tape and I'm gonna double side tape this. See if that holds pretty well. You can see right there. And hopefully I won't have to drill ever in the future. I just don't like drilling holes in bumpers, sorry. So I'm gonna put some 3M tape right here and see if that holds it. After removing the plastic off of the lip kit, I'm gonna go ahead and install the little accents. Now these are sold separately. They don't come with the lip kit, so you gotta kind of piece them together. So you can match it with whichever lip kit you like. So this you will kind of have to line up the best of your ability. So we're gonna wipe it off with water, then come back through it with alcohol, test fit it, peel it back, and stick it. So it pretty much fits like this. You pretty much line up the vent here, and it kind of falls into place. I'm gonna peel the tape on this side and then pull it down, and then this is some plastic wrap you peel off. They don't use a whole lot of tape on this one, but you should have like a pretty good contact. Sorry, the lighting isn't that spectacular, but I'll give you a finished look of the product. Okay, besides the dust on the actual bumper itself, this is what the kit looks like together. No, it's kind of hard, still hard to see the black trim that goes around the brake duct. And now would be a good time to show you the difference between these two grills. So on this grill they have basically two systems, this design and then this small mesh. The other grill will completely replace that, and they claim you'll have better space for your sensors. So we'll check and see how that goes. It's gonna be tough getting this out of here because I glued it in, so I might not have an S5 grill. S5 emblem on my new grill, but you know, whatever. So there's the old grill right there, and this is the piece that you can get 3D printed. Maybe I can get it to focus a little bit. I painted it black, and the camera, which is right here, will fit basically perfectly into here. Let's see here. There it goes. So, oops. Or you can use the one that comes with this V2 grill. Sorry, there it goes. I can post a link where you can get this 3D print, get the file to 3D print this. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can always take the file somewhere so someone can 3D print it for you. Unfortunately, I do not have enough PLA to print this. Also, PLA is not the best for sunlight, so you might want to tell them that when you get this 3D printer, it needs to be something that can endure, you know, different types of weathers. This possibly could go bad for me. I would just use the one it came with, or 3D print another one over time. It's possible. You know, I've heard that it can. So.